In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your status in Zoom. If you want to update your availability in Zoom so other people can quickly see whether you're active, away, or busy, the process is very simple and only takes a few seconds. Changing your status can be helpful when you want to give coworkers or contacts a clear idea of whether you're available to chat or respond right away. To get started, open Zoom and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top right corner of the window. You'll see your profile icon there. This is the area where Zoom keeps your personal account options, settings, and status controls. Go ahead and click on the profile icon in the top right corner. When you select it, a menu will open with different account-related options. This menu is where you can manage several quick settings without needing to go deep into the full settings page. Near the top of that menu, you should see your current status displayed. Depending on your account and activity, it may show something like available, away, do not disturb, or another current state. Click directly on that current status to open the available status options. Once you click it, Zoom will let you choose a different status. Select the one you want to use. This updates how your status appears to others, making it easier for them to understand whether now is a good time to contact you. If you don't see the status right away, make sure you click the profile icon and not another menu or notification area. It also helps to be on the main Zoom app window, since some options can look slightly different depending on the version you're using. Keeping the Zoom app updated can also make sure you have the latest layout and features. That's all it takes to change your status in Zoom. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make a real difference in communication, especially if you use Zoom regularly for work, school, or team collaboration. A clear status helps set expectations and can reduce interruptions when you need to focus. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you change your status in Zoom quickly and easily.